Hi, I'm Zephyrin, but my friends call me Z for short. I was outside the other day listening to the birds, and I thought, it would be cool if I was able to identify the birds I'm listening to. So I did some research and found the Merlin Bird ID app. This app allows you to identify birds based on their calls. Isn't that cool? Want to test it out with me? I'm hoping to see a Carolina wren. What about you? Let's be quiet. I think I hear something. Wow, 3 different species are around us right now. That's so special. I wonder if I can spot them. Ooh, I hear something new. Wow, it's a Carolina wren. Just what I was hoping to hear today. Let's walk a little bit farther. Maybe there will be a new bird closer to the water. Hear that? It's a red-eyed vireo. I think I see it too. My first spotting of this species. I can't believe I heard 5 different species while on my walk today. I'm so happy I discovered Merlin Bird ID. Join me on a birding adventure again soon?